Alright, let me just jump in here for a second, and I'm not sure, oh, because I did short preheating, so let's do long preheat. 45 minutes. Well, we're not gonna need 45 minutes, but I'm gonna make a little prediction over here. It's not gonna work. The reason it's not gonna work is because this is the first time the board actually flexed upwards. So there's a bulge. And I saw it before I removed the socket. The left side of the socket was lifted a lot. And I looked underneath, and normally underneath you see the bulge, right? The board just kind of slopes down, right? And that is normal. That usually works, and it's easier to align the socket and stuff. Some pins in the middle might not solder on, sure, there's always that risk, but usually it works because the socket will bend slightly to adjust to the board, but it will bend this way, it will not bend this way. So we have a first case where the board flexed in a very unusual way. Not sure why. Have we done this board before? What is it? X670E. This is from MSI. AM5 socket. Looks like any other board that we've done hundreds of. But this one decided to bend a different way. What are you gonna do? It also came in assembled, and the service ordered was disassembled. So, well, I was gonna tell the customer to, cancel this order and just make another order, but in light of this, screw it. It's most likely not gonna work anyways, so you get a little discount in that case. Well, let's give it a little more preheating at low temperature. Right now I'm at 142 at the bottom, 118 at the top, as you can see. Maybe it'll return to its original position. Who knows? It looks like the bend is a little lower now, but as soon as I put on the heater at the top, it'll likely just bend again. So I don't think this is gonna work, but we're gonna try anyways. Alrighty, we're gonna end the video here. Unfortunately, this is no fix. No fix because the board flexed too much. The top left corner of the socket is completely lifted. The bottom left is as well. Unfortunately, the scope is on the right side. The right side is okay. You can see that it dropped, everything's good on the right side, but the left side is lifted. Somehow the board just flexed over here in this kind of axis over here, basically lifting the socket. So I drowned it in flux in the hopes that maybe that'll be enough for the ball to actually touch the board and solder on. But then after the board returns to its position, if it does, that probably will cause cracks and stuff. So now this will not work. This is a no fix, and it's the first board that ever flexed this way. No idea why. It looks like the same board we've done many of. Yeah, the socket is aligned. Everything would be good if it wasn't for that flexing. Crazy. But I'm still gonna reassemble everything, right? It's too hot right now to touch, but I'm gonna put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, clean it, reassemble it, send it back, and I guess we'll see. But my prediction is that it will not work. Well, that's how it works. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's the way she goes. Thank you guys very much for watching. I do appreciate you. Hope you found this interesting. And I shall see you guys in the next one.